Oh, this is Russ for Cumberland After Dark, and as you can see, we're getting some snow here. Sure you can see it pretty good. Zoom in here a little bit. It's Route 28 over there. You can usually see it pretty good. I don't know exactly how many inches we got, but it's coming down pretty hard right now. Probably going to be one of the biggest storms we've had so far this year. Probably won't be the last. Here's our retreat. You can see there's a good bit of snow on it. Just heard the fire whistles go off over here in Wally Ford. You can see these tracks, but some kind of animal was down through here. There's probably a cat. That went down. Okay, here you can probably see the amount of snow we got. Right there's a good shot of it. Back off for a little bit. That's all we've gotten so far. I mean, that much right there. It's not a lot yet, but it's still coming down hard. You can see it on the power lines here. So be prepared for power outages with this kind of stuff on your power lines. Believe me, it's going to make your power lines a lot heavier than they are. As you can see, it's sticking to the trees quite well. Really well, as a matter of fact. This is really a sticky snow. I'll tell you, it's still pretty nice outside. I mean, it's like, what time is it? 8:14 in the morning. Beautiful day out. So if you're traveling on the highways, as I can see over here, Route 28 is not clear. Right over there's 28, and I still can't see the road. Matter of fact, maybe we can get a better shot over here. There's 28. Right there, back there. And you can see it is completely covered. So definitely if you're going out, people, be careful. And I don't think it's going to be over for quite some time. There's a view out over South Cumberland back behind those trees. As you can see with this snowfall, you can't even see over there, and usually you can see over there pretty good. This is from a next door neighbor's property. Might be able to see a little something there, but not much. Hasta la vista, people. Actually. Look at it on this fence. Yep, that's Russ for Cumberland After Dark, people. Please be safe today. Don't take any chances on anything.